Hey everyone, and welcome to week 2 of quantitative reasoning. So this week in class, you're going to be completing lessons 2A, 2B, 2C. You're going to be starting your Unit 1 project. You're going to be completing the lesson 2 quiz and starting 3A. So I just want to make sure to clarify, whenever you guys are going through your lessons, when you click on those, check over into the What Do You Need to Do tab. It'll have the preview and practices all linked in here, and then the videos that you'll need to complete are over in your lesson resources. So you'll watch these videos as you're printing out your notes, and then again, just make sure that you guys are completing your preview and practice assignments. I did go in and put those dates in D2L, so if you guys were using this schedule function up here, let's give that a minute to load. So it should show up here now. For those of you that were using that, otherwise I would highly recommend that you use the schedule under the Getting Started or the one that's linked onto your main page. So let me show you where that is as well. So again, this schedule here will have everything that you guys need to do, so then you can also see week by week any upcoming assignments. So again, you guys are going to be starting this Unit 1 project. So let's just take a quick look at what that looks like. So this project is going to be based off the information that you talk about in Lesson 2C. So you'll notice here that we have some information in this dot plot that this box and whisker plots with these dots that might be helpful as you're going through. And what we're going to ask you to do is go through, fill out a 5-number summary. If you're not quite sure what that is, you can do a quick Google search, or you have your resource pages, or you can also come talk to me. You're going to be comparing and contrasting. So you might have more compares than contrast, or vice versa, and that is okay. Just get down as much information as possible. And then you're going to take all that information and you're either going to write a paper, you're going to create a PowerPoint, and or you're going to do a video presentation to then upload to this assignment. Make sure you guys are checking your rubric so you know exactly how you're being scored so you can get the most points possible. There's also some additional information down at the bottom. So please note about the unit. So even though this is 68, this means $68,000. If you'd like printable directions, those are also linked in here, and this will take you to a Google Doc. It's going to prompt you to make a copy. When you do that, it'll go right into your Google Drive, and then this copy will be for you. My page is still loading, so let's just give this 1 minute. So these are the printable directions, exactly what you saw on D2L, except you can print this out, mark it up, so that way when you go to create your paper, PowerPoint, or video, you have all that information needed. All right, I hope you guys all have a great week. If you need any help, please reach out. I am willing to accommodate. If you guys are working that typical 9 to 5, I do have office hours that or student hours that we can have in the evening. Typically, I try to make those around 5:30, but I do just need you to shoot me an email if you need to meet, and if my scheduled office hours do not meet your needs. Again, I'm more than happy to accommodate. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I look forward to hearing from you.